Dreaming of launching your own corner of the internet, but feeling overwhelmed by where to start? Look no further. Today, we're diving into how to create your very own website on WordPress, making it super accessible even if you're a complete beginner first. You'll need a unique web address. Your domain name, think of it as your online home address once you've chosen that. You'll need a place to host your website files. That's where web hosting comes in. Many providers offer packages that include both a domain name and hosting, simplifying the process. After signing up for hosting, you'll typically get easy access to install WordPress. This usually involves a few simple clicks through your hosting control panel. Once installed, you'll log into your WordPress dashboard, which is your command center for everything on your site. Don't worry about all the options. We'll focus on the essentials. The next exciting step is choosing a look for your website. WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes, which are like predesigned templates that control your site's appearance. Browse through them, preview what they look like, and select one that best fits the style and purpose of your website. Once you've picked a theme, you can personalize it in the WordPress customizer here. You can change colors, fonts, upload your own logo, and adjust various layout options to make your website truly yours. Experiment until you're happy with the overall aesthetic. Now it's time to fill your website with content. WordPress makes this incredibly easy with its block editor. You can add text, images, headings, and even embed videos with just a few clicks. Think about the pages you need, like a home page, an About Use page, and a contact page, and start creating them. And just like that, you're well on your way to having your professional online presence ready to share with the world. With WordPress, the power to create is in your hands. Happy building.